Do you think a blizzard is gonna stop our outfit of the days? No. Heck no. Okay? Let's get into these outfits because we like it. That outfit is from Love Shack Fancy. My glasses I stole from my mom. The hat is from Bubble Babies, and the gloves I actually went to my mom's closet and I stole them. My outfit is from Chanel. No, not Chanel.
Love Shack Fancy.
Love Shack Fancy. And my hat is from Bubble Baby. My sunglasses I stole from my mom's closet. And my gloves are...
Your mommy's too.
My mommy's too. Jacket and my hat is Montclair, and my pants are Kith.
Okay. My jacket is my husband's Montclair. I stole these from Simona and these. My hat's Chanel. My sunglasses are Porsche. And then I just have on my barefoot dream socks and Uggs. And we're ready to build a snowman.